Shalom Saints, welcome, and we are here at the site where we are preparing for the largest Passover Conference in the history of United Family International Church here at the Basilica in Chitungwiza, Zimbabwe. Exciting things are happening on site right now. It's a hard hat area, and in this very short video we'll be taking you through the progress that is happening on the ground as we are preparing for the move of God and to see the manifestation of great power and the presence of God once again, and meeting as a family in person after almost 2 years.
Arguably the biggest gathering in Zimbabwe with the great prophet of our time, the voice Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa. I can tell you there's so much activity in this place.
And already the atmosphere is booming with so much energy. We've got traffic coming in from all over the world globally. Flights are being booked. Accommodation is being booked. People are making sure that they don't miss their opportunity.
For the first time in 2 years, you get an opportunity to come face to face with the voice, face to face with the prophet of our time. And I believe sharing that environment is sharing the energy.
Exactly. What's happening here is inspiring. Like our Father's theme is inspiring people and sharing life. The aspect of sharing that godly energy as we gather together, as we chant and raise up the name of the Lord Jesus together in this particular place. So in a few moments, we're going to go through the project and see the various works that have been happening on the ground. Now remember, this is being personally financed by the prophet and the prophetess.
I didn't hear you.
This project, this gigantic, enormous project, housing more than 35,000 individuals seated, is being personally financed by Prophet and Prophetess Makandiwa.
Personally. In their personal capacity.
This is not a ministry project. It's their own personal project. Building the house of the Lord.
Obviously, you're seeing what is behind me. The nature of the equipment, the size of the project, obviously has to have a man behind it.
Right.
And we have a man that the prophet of God has appointed, the director of this project, the director of all this activity, ensuring that this coming 3 days, the Passover Conference with the voice, is a success. That is none other than the man of God, Pastor Elias Wenga.
We are here to finish what our visionaries saw a long time and designed this basilica. This is an amazing design, and it was made in heaven. We want it to be completed according to our visionaries' specifications. We have multiplied the number of machinery in order to speed up the process. We have got the graders, the excavators, we have got TLBs, compactors. So people are working day and night, they are on shift. Where we normally use one team, we are making them 10 teams. We've partnered with the local authority, Chitungwiza municipality, to widen the road that enters our basilica. And this is to promote traffic safety, because there will be huge volumes of traffic coming for the Easter conference. Even for the normal church service, we will have a lot of traffic coming into the basilica during and even after the conference. We've opened the drainage system, which was bringing all the water into our property. And when we've got rains, the whole property will be flooded with rain. So we've diverted some of the water into the normal council drainages. As for the paving, we are paving about 16,000 square meters of area. But in order to do that, we have excavated all the wet and expansive material to the tune of maybe 3,000 cubic meters. Yes, and then we have replaced it about 4,800 cubic meters of gravel, which we are now stabilizing. And then after that, we compact it, and after compacting, we put our plastics and start paving.
Well, there you heard it from the man himself, the project director, Pastor Elias Wenga, explaining that even from the outside, there's a partnership with the local authority.
That's right.
That defines the nature of the project that is taking place here, and the heart of the prophet as well.
Man of God, we've heard it from the director himself. The work that's being done here is magnificent. And all of this is being done by the hands of the prophet and the prophetess. And we're so grateful for that. Now, if you last came here 2 years ago, what you're going to find on the ground is going to absolutely shock you.
Brace for a surprise.
Exactly. Brace for a surprise.
Not just brace for a surprise, Pastor Koramba. Brace for an experience.
Yes.
Expect an experience. Because other people that are already coming here as volunteers are having that experience already. An encounter with the Spirit of the man in the place, at this place. So wherever you are, be it in Zimbabwe, Zambia, Botswana, Malawi, the United States of America, the UK, if you have not made plans to come, then start making plans, because it's going to be a spectacular event, because a lot has already been put into this event, and it'll be phenomenal.
After 2 years.
2 years, Pastor Koramba, of
man of
watching
God.
us online. Now you get that opportunity to watch and communicate and share energy in the same place at the Chitungwiza Basilica, with not just the voice of God, but with the prophetess, Dr. Ruth Emmanuel Makandiwa.
Shalom.